If the doors to your refrigerator are not closing properly, make sure that your refrigerator is level, front to back and side to side. Some other tips: take a look at the gasket seal around the door of your refrigerator. If it is dirty or has any food particles on it or frost, you're going to make sure that you want that cleaned off. Another part here is the vertical hinge. If the vertical hinge is in the, this would be the closed position, your refrigerator might appear to be closed, but it's not. Make sure that the hinge goes inside the groove and then shuts properly. Another factor that could impede the doors from closing are food containers, food itself, even the storage bins that are inside the refrigerator, or even a shelf. A shelf might be out of place, and if that's the case, your door may not shut all the way. So make sure those are also closed properly. So those are your simple tips to make sure that the doors on your refrigerator close properly.